sharing your knowledge is a good thing.
Hey, what can I get you?
You're old. And you're slow. And your footwork's sloppy.
Anything else?
Yeah, you take more punches than you throw, which I feel like you think that's a talent, but it's not.
So what are you doing here?
That can make you better.
When do we start?
All right, let's just do a 3-minute round, yeah? Full speed? Let's try to hit me however you think you can.
Lee, you're half my size.
I gotta see what you're like in the ring.
Oh, come on. I'm not fighting a 150-pound kid.
Well, you're not. I'm 125.
There's no kicks in boxing.
Learn to duck.
Since when do we close at 8 o'clock? Have you lost your mind? You're gonna fight again. Really? And you're gonna train him?
It was his idea.
He saved my ass the other night.
Yeah, you told me he's the Chinese Peter Parker. I don't care.
He can show me what he knows, keep me light on my feet.
You haven't been light on your feet since you were 19, Dad.
Which is exactly why I need him.
You know you're giving him false hope, right?
Better than no hope.
You sure about that?
Honey, it's one fight. Maybe two. I can do this, Mia.
Unbelievable. He gets his ass kicked, that's on you. You hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I think the whole neighborhood heard you.
Good. Then we're all on the same page. Now, if you'll excuse me, apparently I have a pizza shop to run.
That went well. First rule of Kung Fu. Everything is Kung Fu. The shop is Kung Fu. Boxing is Kung Fu. Give me your arm. Lower! Wrong side. Around! Horse stance. Oh. Teaches control over the mind, so that you can overcome the pain. You're gonna be making pizzas all day, you gotta be training while you're making those pizzas.
I make 100 pies a day. I know how to make pizza, Lee.
Cool. Show me. Squat, don't bend.
How long am I supposed to stay like this?
I'm going to lunch. See you in an hour.
Okay.
You got long arms, but when you're in close, you're not going to always have room to swing. You're going to have to learn to deliver power without moving your body. This is called the 1-inch punch. Try it. Don't worry so much about power. Just focus on snapping a wrist. We're turning you from a stone to a stream. You strike a stone, eventually it breaks. You strike water, it keeps moving. Always flowing, always fluid.
Order up!
Alright, I got a large plain pie. Victory Pizza, what can I get for you, boss? What? You sound more New York than I do.
要不我去当场求你啦。
好了好了 ，take it，谢谢。